Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to change the name of a Telegram channel on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Step 2. Locate the channel you wish to modify and click on it to open. Step 3. Look for the three dots icon at the top right corner and click on it. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Manage Channel. Step 5. Under the channel name, you will find a text box. Enter your new desired name there. Step 6. Once you've entered the new name, click on the Save button. That's it. You have successfully changed the name of your Telegram channel on your PC. The new name will now be displayed to your channel members and visitors. By keeping your channel name up to date, you can better reflect the purpose or content of your channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.